guys, happy Wednesday. We're halfway through our second week. Hopefully everybody's doing okay at home. Again, let me know if you need me. Please email me or dojo me. I'd love to hear from you. I miss your voices and I miss you. We are on page 606 today. We are skipping 605. They give us the answers. We're too smart for that. So take a look at the reading at the top of the page. It says each class at school will go to recess 30 minutes after the other. So that means every 30 minutes a class is allowed to go outside for recess. The first class goes to recess at 1 o'clock. What time will the fourth class go? There's many ways to do this. They have set it up with separate lines for each class. We also learned how to make a chart like this, where it would say class and time. Okay, either way works. I'm going to use the lines that they gave us and fill those in, and then we can fill in the chart after, okay? So our first class is going to go at 1 o'clock. I want you to think on the big clock what that means when a half hour goes by. So it's 1 o'clock. We know that in a half hour, 30 minutes later, another class can go. So I'm going to go ahead, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. The next class is going to go at 1:30. So I'm going to write that on the line, 1:30. Okay? I'm also going to fill that in on my chart if you're the kind of person that prefers to do a chart. Whoops. We know that there are different ways to do the math. We do them lots of different ways in class. So when you do it on a test, you know that whatever way works for you is fine as long as you show me your work. So here we are back to recess. The second class went out at 1:30. The third class will get to go out at 2 o'clock. Okay, I'm going to fill that in my chart over here as well. And my fourth class goes 30 minutes later. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It is 2:30. Now you know I always ask you to think past the book. So let's say one more class is going out for recess. We'd have to be at public school because we're out at dismissal already by 2:30. But let's say one more class is going to go to recess. Let's count 30 more minutes and see what time they would go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That class would go out at 3 o'clock. Okay? We're going to do one of the on your own questions together, and then you do the rest on your own. So here we go. In the morning, Miss White's students change activities every hour. So that means we're dealing with the minute hand pointing up to the hour or o'clock. Reading starts at 8:30. Uh-oh, now we're not up at the hour. Now we're down here for the half hour. Now it says 8:30, so I'm going to go all the way around till I get to 8:30, so we have the same time they have. And now it says they're going to change every hour. So our students go to 3 more activities. When do each of the activities start? I'm going to do my chart again. I like a chart. If you like to do the lines better, if you want to draw a clock, that's fine. I'm going to do the chart. I'm going to say that reading, activity 1, I'm going to call it because not all the activities are reading. So I'm going to put activity 1 is going to start at 8:30. And it says they have 3 more activities. So 1, 2, 3 more activities. It doesn't say they have 3 activities. It says 3 more. So I had to list 3 more activities. If the reading starts at 8:30 and I'm going to go 1 hour, I have to go all the way around the clock till I get back down here. So here I go, all the way around the clock till I get back down to the 6. It is now 9:30. I'm going to start at 9:30 now, and I'm going to go another hour. So all the way around the clock, it's now 10:30. And for our last one more time, all the way around the clock, it's now 11:30. Okay, if we were at school, I'd give you each your small plastic clock to use. Unfortunately, we're not here. I will try to find one online that I can email to your parents that you maybe could print out and cut out with paper, and you could move the hands just like I do on the plastic clock. We're going to have to be a little creative now that we're home. But anyway, so I did a chart for this one. When does each of the activities start? They start at 9:30, 10:30, and 11:30. If you look at my chart, you can see that the minutes side stays the same. They're all at 30. Just the hour side changed because each one is 1 hour apart. So 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, they all stay 30 in the minute column. Okay? If you need any help, give me a holler. I hope you're all okay at home. I really, really do miss you all. Take care. Have a good night, guys. Bye-bye.